Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the GPX in Google Drive and signing into the Google account you will use with Maps. Once done, make sure the GPX is intact. Corrupted files cause failures. You may convert GPX to KML for smoother import. Many mapping tools accept KML directly. While you prepare, check file size limits and naming conventions so the next steps go straight through. This reduces surprises when you begin the import process in Google My Maps. You now open Google My Maps and create a new map. This is where custom GPX data lives. Click Add Layer, then import and choose your GPX or converted KML from Drive. Grant any permission prompts. Once uploaded, inspect the layer contents. Routes, tracks, and waypoints should align. If alignment is off, zoom and toggle base maps to verify. You can rename layers, change colors, and set visibility. These visual tweaks help you interpret the path before exporting or sharing. You finish by exporting the layer as KML or sharing the My Maps link so it appears in Google Maps or other devices. Once done, test the map on a phone and desktop to confirm routes and waypoints display correctly. If something goes wrong, re-export the original GPX from your source. Verify coordinate formats, decimal degrees versus degrees/minutes/seconds, and re-upload. That usually fixes misaligned tracks. Finally, make small edits in My Maps and reshare to update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.